Hi! In today's video, we will explore how we can completely remove Microsoft Edge from Windows 11 or Windows 10. First, let's go to the Add or Remove Programs. And this is the Microsoft Edge. By default, it cannot be uninstalled from there. However, today we will explore a method that works 100% and completely removes Microsoft Edge. For this, go to your Explorer, enter your local disk, program files x86, Microsoft Edge application, and this right here is your build number. It varies, so this is why we are going through the Explorer and not directly to the command prompt. Simply enter this version and go to installer. From here we need to copy our path. Copy it and open command prompt. Run it as administrator. It is a must in order for this to work. And change your destination by CD and copy the paste the copied path. Now we are in this folder through the command prompt, and from here on now to uninstall Edge we need to type in a simple command: setup --uninstall --force uninstall system level. When we execute this command, Microsoft Edge will be removed from our system. When we click enter, you're noticing that Microsoft Edge is currently being uninstalled on a system level. When we try to execute the exe, nothing happens. So, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.